Hey guys, welcome on in. It is Thursday, April 16th, and today we are going to be reading chapter 4 of The Outsiders and taking a quiz. So what you're going to do when you log in today is you're going to click on where it says TO, meaning The Outsiders, chapter 4 and quiz 2, April 16th, Thursday learning. Now when this opens up, you're going to see you have two tasks. Task 1 is to read chapter 4 and complete your gist notes, which you should be doing every time you read a chapter. Remember, those are due May 7th. Okay, so those are due May 7th. Now, task 2 is chapters 2 through 4. Now, if you haven't read chapters 2 and 3 prior to today, you need to read those chapters because those were assigned on Tuesday and Wednesday respectively, and today is chapter 4. So before you take this quiz, you need to have read those chapters so you can be super successful on the quiz because the questions will be covering all of the chapters you should have read this week. Now, to access the quiz, it's the same as it always is. You click on the link, and keep in mind, you only get one attempt, which is advertised right where I'm highlighting. There are no quiz redos. Now, the trade-off, like we talked about last week, is there's also no time limit, plus it's open book. So you can go back and check your work, verify it, meaning double check it, and make sure your answers are 100% correct before you submit. Now, the due date is April 16th, and it's available from today until tomorrow at midnight. Now, if for some reason you decide to wait until tomorrow, that's fine. You have that option. You might get an email from me at some point tomorrow asking you to remember to take that. That's just a reminder email if you happen to get that, and that's just because I want to make sure you get this in before everything's locked, because remember, once it's locked, it's no longer accessible, okay? So that's how today is working. Now, here's the deal. Tomorrow was regularly supposed to be a parent-teacher conference day. However, that has been removed, and your parents are able to email any of the teachers or contact them, and they're able to get information that they need. But otherwise, tomorrow is an optional day for the reading day. And it's a catch-up day for those of you who have not done the quiz too for The Outsiders yet. Okay, so keep in mind that's what we have going on tomorrow. What I'm really trying to say here is if you complete all your work today, then you're done until Monday. Okay, and then on Monday we'll be back on ReadWorks. Okay, thank you guys for your hard work this week. Just wanted to say I really appreciated the discussions you had yesterday, and I saw a lot of really good comments as I read through the posts. So let's keep that coming next week when we get back to this book. But remember, on Monday we'll be doing ReadWorks first. Okay, thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you again next time.